As far as we can see, turn workers have all the flags out there. Put off into the dirt. He looks unbeatable to me. He looks perfect out there. It's not like Mountain Race with Laguna Seca has always been kind to Casey. He had a heck of a dogfight. Lorenzo and him had a really clean fight, which was wonderful to see out there. Lorenzo, I mean, who knows how it would have been. His body's still probably recovering from that nasty get-off yesterday, so you gotta love it. You know, the fans